unboxing. The mystery unboxing. The gift unboxing. Hi guys, so it is Monday and I'm at camp. So yes, we're at camp. Yeah. It's gonna be a week. So this is just another week in my life. I don't know how this week will go because all of these activities are online, so I don't know, but we're gonna try to do a week in my life vlog and see how that work. All right, so it's Monday. It's currently 9:20 something right now, and we're already at camp. Camp starts at 9 each morning, but as a counselor I have to be on from 8:30. So yeah. No, nervous. Hey, is that my ear? My ear won't pull out. Like, yes, auntie. I don't even know if I find my emojis them again. Hey guys, so have a little break and I'm just grabbing some fruits. So yeah, so I have some cantaloupe, I have some watermelon, and a piece of melon, and a piece of mango. Don't ask me what kind of mango, come in and know. Really not know. Anyways, just a few minutes we get. So. It is our time. Yes, sure. Alright, so I am at art now. We're supposed to be doing the crayon etching thing that I showed you guys in a previous vlog that I was doing, I think. So something like this. So something like this, but I'm doing a next one. She said that the pencil crayon can use, so I'm trying the pencil crayon one. I'm trying the easier version, so just do everything cross. Yeah, and I'm just doing a small patch. I'm lazy. So yeah. Alright guys, so mine is, well, I finished putting on the color. I'm gonna try putting on the black now. Now I'm gonna do this little bit and then try if this works, because I feel like I have to do something else. Shine. Alright, I'm gonna try something. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work. I bought something. Hey. So I need to change up my curtains. So let me show you what curtain I have. These red curtains, which I think I've had on from Christmas. Yeah. Because I like the blackout curtain. So when this draw, it's like it get dark. Now see? I mean, but yeah. I think this is the same kind like it. So let me unbox. It's supposed to be a blackout curtain. I tried to check it, but or at least a semi blackout, if not fully, but it's supposed to be like this, right? Kind of. This is still thicker, as you can see, compared to this. Still a silicone light, but not much. So yes, I bought this purple color because I like purple, so why not? So yes, I want to clean my room today, or at least start to clean it. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work. So the room is basically the same. Pretty much all I did was to fold up the clothes that was there. This bed, the sheet I want to put on that's gonna match the purple curtain is gonna have to be yellow, right? So I'll let that sheet there. At this machine I actually put on back to match the purple, but it needs to wash. So anyways, so other than the clothes, this is all I did. This section right here, so it broke down. The things can pull out easily, so it did pull out. So all I did was to go through and fix it back, the cracks, and I did a little rearranging. I put the knapsacks that were down at the bottom here, easier for access, they don't crumble up. Yeah, I put the cracks down at the bottom. I'm gonna put this and like this one here, the ones I wear often, just on top of each other. So these are like my yard fronts, so this one and this one. Those are supposed to be my going out, so I don't want them to be worn out. So might as well hide them down there. So yeah, so I got my hair to pull out. I was gonna leave it, but after I went to the hotel and came back, they were quite pulled out. Let me see if we find them like this. Not even dots, but I have enough of them. Like they're all the way out, you know, when I see them. So yes, that's what I'm dealing with. So mommy said it can actually tear my hair, so I want to pull it out, give it a break, see if I can put in one little one about Thursday or so, like one short one, or chemo. I don't know. Hi guys, good morning. So it is Tuesday. Yes, the ear comb. I try to get set. I try to sign in myself a camp, but apparently I don't remember my password from my computer. So how you guys doing? Let me see if I can prop you guys. There you go. No lean bad. Scoot over. There we go. So yes, so I changed where I was yesterday because trying to get rid of the basin. I can actually see myself. Feel like I show too much of this, but can I help it? Probably not. All right, so here we have a camp today. Here, comb day 2. yeah, excited-ish, nervous more. So yeah, let's see what's going on in the group. So yes. We have to fix today. No. 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 Alright guys, so yeah, we'll talk so not along the day. I got eat breakfast after I'm done signing. And then yeah, I did strip my bed, my wash day. If she told me that unless I'm probably gonna need, I washed it because I really want it. It like a match with the purple. I mean, I have no other purple blanket. So I washed it this morning along with I found a purple cushion cover. Yeah. Yeah. So that's that. Alright guys, so camp is done for the day. Heading out. I'm gonna try to wait on him because I'm gonna kill this too. But I kinda can't wait because I don't know how far them reach. Get number 16. I know that probably either reach already. I don't know. Because sometimes the doctor works slow. So hopefully we can get one taxi quick. But the more we point that because the appointment I go up there as well. So I just don't want to be sitting around waiting and then my mama will call and then I'm gonna get back. So yeah. I'm back with a whole bag of medication. Anyways, so I have the room to clean, see we. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finally clean up the room. But it's the other side of the room might be the only place I clean. Because I took off my sheet so I could wash the top sheet. With the intention that I would clean the entire room. However, I'm tired and it's like probably after 4 now. So I'm gonna clean this side of the room. So I'm gonna clean where my bed is. I'm gonna sort out that, and I'm also gonna sort out this. If when I'm done I'm too tired, I'm gonna leave the dresser and over this side of the room for our next day, probably tomorrow or the other day. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. So Saturday when I went to the party, so I went to a party on Saturday, as you guys saw in the weekend vlog, and a lady there was selling these things that she works there. So she was telling me that she has something selling. So this is a Febreze Unstoppable Touch fabric spray, and I got 2. I got this in fresh, so this is a fresh one, and I got the ocean one. I think I like the fresh better. I think that's the one I like better. I don't remember. But yeah, it was nice. So I bought them. Alright, so the progress is that I wait for the place to done dry. Almost done. Then I'm gonna put back the bed, spray it, put on that, spray it, put up the curtain, and then I'm gonna start up my bedside table or something. Then I'm gonna see if I can do this part, because if I can't do this whole situation here, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the situation that we're at right now. I'm gonna use the option like this. I haven't burnt any candles for probably a while now. So anyways, I got this on my birthday from September. I never burned it yet. And smell it. So it is bow ties and bourbon made with natural essential oils. It's a Bath and Body Works scented candle. So since I'm doing purple and yellow and it's purple, I'm gonna put it on my nightstand. So I want this and this to be on my nightstand, but I don't know how the mouse see yet. It kind of have a little, what do you call it? Let me see. Alright, so curtain is up. It is blackout, guys. I like it. And then well, I don't know like if when the sun is up, but it was kind of dark a while ago. And then my mom gave me this. Well, me borrow it. This tray, because when I was putting it here it was sinking. So yeah, we get the tray, put that on. So now I'm gonna make the bed, that and these. All right, so I didn't get to do this, but I get to do that, but I get to do that, but I get to do this. So don't get to do the closet either. The only thing is the curtain area over here. And yeah, so what I want to do is find something that goes down here to cover down the sew, because I can't help that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to cover it. But yes, I'm loving the curtains. Yeah, when it draw, you can literally can't see anything outside. So I like it. I love it. It's Wednesday and I'm drinking from my purple cup in my purple and yellow room. Yeah, so the curtain wasn't so bad. It did show light through, but not as much. It's like my red curtain, or a little thinner than my red curtain. So yeah, but it was good. So I like it. Still want a thicker one, but yeah. Good morning, Shan.
They not see me. Wait.
We're twinning.
Hi, I'm Sassy Shan. Good morning. Now what she a telling us? Anything she a telling us? I know so we go.
Me I tell them about my curtain. So
Oh,
it did that show light.
I saw it go then. Cause her room did well that this man me think I
Never as dark.
Room. It dark. You just blacken. No man.
No one, no light at all.
Are you evil? So why you love the dark?
Cause when me want in the dark, I want in the dark.
What stays in the dark must comes to light.
Know yourself. So this is like a lot of days after, but I finally finished the room this morning. So showing you guys the overview. Yeah. Fixed. Yeah.